Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix local listings with Moz Local. Complete guide step. First, begin by signing in to your Moz Local account. If you don't have an account, create one by selecting the appropriate subscription plan. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. You'll see an overview of your business listings. To start fixing local listings, click on the Listings tab. This will display all your business locations. Select the location you want to manage. Review the current information listed for accuracy. Check the business name, address, phone number, and website URL. If any information is incorrect, click on the Edit button. Make the necessary corrections. After editing, save the changes. Next, verify the status of your listings. Locate the status column to check if there are any issues. If you see warnings or errors, click on each one for more details. Address the issues as indicated in the prompts. This may involve fixing inconsistencies in your address format or name. Once you've resolved the issues, click on the Resubmit button. This will send your updated information to Moz Local for distribution. Monitor the progress by returning to the dashboard. You'll see updates regarding the correction process for each listing. After a few days, check back to confirm the changes have been made correctly. Utilize the Performance tab to analyze your listing engagement. Take note of any metrics such as views or clicks. Regularly maintain and update your listings as needed. Keep your business information consistent across all platforms. This will improve your local SEO and visibility. Remember to periodically check Moz Local for any new issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.